Hello friends, I am very happy to meet you in this video. My purpose of this video is to let you know who is Charlie Chaplin and what are his quotes. Today I want to say something about English classic film actor Charlie Chaplin. He was a world-class funny actor born in England in 1889 and died in 1977 at the age of 88. Here are some quotes of Charlie Chaplin. Please listen what he says. The famous actor of the world, the famous filmmaker of the world. What he says in his quotes. Now I will start saying. Number one, he says, nothing is permanent in this world, not even our troubles. Nothing is permanent in this world, not even our troubles. All our troubles end one day or the other. He says, the most wasted day in my life, the most wasted day in my life is the day in which I have not laughed. You see, some people, they do not laugh at all. And he says, the most wasted day in our life is the day in which I have not laughed. Think over this. Third quote is, life is to enjoy. Life is to enjoy with whatever you have with you. You have got so many things, you are not looking towards them. You are looking towards those things which you do not get. Very funny thing. Life is to enjoy whatever you have with you. Keep on smiling always. Another quote for the friends, what he says. One good friend is equal to one medicine. One group of friends is equal to full medical store, is equal to full medical stores. In another quote, he says, there are 6 best doctors in the world. 6 best doctors in the world. One is sunlight, second is rest, third is exercise, fourth is our diet, fifth is our self-confidence, and sixth is the friends. In another quote, he says, if you see moon, you see the beauty of God. You see the beauty of God. If you see sun, you see the power of God. You see the power of God. And in the next sentence, what he says is very important for us. If you see in mirror, you will see the best creation of God. That means you, yourself. This is very important according to my opinion. He says in another quote, life will never come again. Life will never come again. Live today and today only. Live today and today only. Don't think of the past and don't think of the future. Live today and today only. In another quote he says, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. We are all tourists of God. We are all tourists of God and God is our travel agent. See what he says? Believe in yourself. We are all tourists. God is a travel agent who has already fixed our roots. God has fixed our roots, reservations, and destinations. So, these are some important quotes that you should think over it and practice in your life. Thank you very much.